Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, and I'm back again, and I got my Uncle Jack here with me, and he's gonna, he assisted me on this project. And today what I did was, I was sick and tired. I have the 2020 Model Y, and I was sick and tired of every time I needed to take my cover off to be able to get to add my receiver into my car, I'd have to get a screwdriver, I'd have to get a plastic tool, get one of these. I'd have to get something to be able to get in there and pry and take it off. And this is the cover that you're taking off right here. Now, this cover, look how many clips there are on it. There's a lot of clips and everything, and it makes it really hard to take off when it's in there. So what I've done is I came up with a solution that you can go down to your local hardware. I went down to Home Depot right down the road. I spent under $5, and it probably took me 5 minutes to do this. So let me show you guys what I did. All right, to start off with, what I did is I added in a really cool little handle right here, and it holds, the handle is right in there, and as you can see, the cover fits in there nice and neat. Yes, you have that little handle, but watch this when Uncle Jack goes to pull it out. All comes out. Go ahead and put it right back in. Get the bottom pushed in a little bit better. Gotta get the top to click. There you go. And now it's back in there. And it's real simple to take out, just like that. Just line up the clips. There you go. It's that easy to take it in and out. Now all I did was, as you can see here, I cut off a few of these little clips right down through here. This is the original one, like that. And as you can see, I took off this one and this one. I took off this one over here. I cut this one off. I cut that one off. And then I cut these two and then that one. So I took off a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. I took off 8 of the clips. I'd left these ones on there. And the way I cut them off, all I did is I simply used a pair of cut and snips here. And I just trimmed them right off. It's that simple. And guess what? If you mess up on one of these plastic covers right here, you can order it from Tesla, and they're only around $15. So if you mess it up, it's not that bad. So after I had all these cut off and everything, then I went to Home Depot, and of course I bought the hardware, I bought the flat washer, and then I took it into my workshop. When I was in my workshop, I had to measure. I measured across and then measured this way and found my dead center. Once I found the dead center, then I got a drill bit that was just slightly about the same size of the screw that came with it, the bolt, and I drilled a hole through it. But the bolt, the screw that comes with your hardware, it's going to be too long, because normally it's going through about 3/4 or a 1/2 inch piece of wood, like on a door or something like that. So what I did is I just cut it off. I had a pair of bolt cutters. You could use a saw, you could use anything you can to cut that bolt off. Once I cut it off and I only had it sticking out maybe 1/2 inch, I put it in here, I screwed it down, made it tight, and it's not going anywhere, guys. It's tight, it's good. It's only $5 for this whole project right here to do it. And like I said, it took just a matter of minutes to do it, and it's done. It was a really easy project, and it feels very secured on there for me, and I don't see any reason why it's gonna come off. So, hey, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And also, most of all, be safe, have fun, and keep driving. Until next time, guys, see ya. Thanks.